So in this video, I'm going to show you all how to change the window of your graph on the calculator. So as you can see, the linear equation has already been plugged in, the linear equation being y equals x minus 25. So the first thing I'm going to show you is why it is important to be able to change the window. So I'm going to come up here and I'm going to click graph, and as you can see, this linear equation doesn't show up on the standard window of what I've already got set into the calculator, which is negative 10 to 10 for both the x and the y values. So in order to change the window, I'm going to come over here to this button over here right under the main screen, the second from the left that says window, and I'm going to go ahead and click on it. And what it pops up and says is the x min, x max, and x scale. Now what these are telling me is that it is the x minimum value, the x maximum value, and how often it should put a tick mark along that range. And then it also, right below that, has the y min, y max, and y scale, which are the same as they were for the x. So in this case, because I have x minus 25, I want to set these to be pretty big. So I'm going to change these to being negative 50, 50, and then I'm going to check to see my scale. So first off, we're going to plug in negative 50 for the x min and hit enter. And then I'm going to plug in 50 for the x max and hit enter. And in order to change my x scale, it says however often I put a tick mark. And between negative 50 and 50, it doesn't make a lot of sense. So I'm going to go ahead and change this to 10. So it'll put a tick mark every 10 on the x values. And I'm going to change the y min and y max to be the same as the x values, and I'm going to change the scale the same way. So, and now I'm going to click over here on graph again to see what the graph looks like. And there we go. We can see a much better view of this graph, and we can see it going in between these tick marks between 10, 20, and 30, and it's right there in the middle at 25. So that's our y-intercept is negative 25.